Hello dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. The topic today we are going to deal with is Gattermann-Koch reaction, which is one of the popular named reactions in organic chemistry. Let us go into the details of the reaction. So it is an example of electrophilic substitution reaction. Gattermann-Koch is an electrophilic substitution reaction which includes formylation of phenol. Now we all know that phenols are aromatic alcohols and formylation is addition of formyl group like CHO group. This is called as formylation. So formylation here occurs with a mixture of HCl and HCl. Hydrogen cyanide in presence in HCl mixture, which is in the presence of AlCl3 and ZnCl2, aluminum trichloride and zinc chloride, and the product which is formed is salicylaldehyde. So this reaction was discovered by Gattermann and Koch. From the name itself we can understand, and the general reaction here we can see as this: phenol reacts with HCl and HCl in presence of zinc chloride and aluminium chloride. We get salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde is orthohydroxybenzaldehyde. Now this is the formulated substance here. Let us go into the mechanism. It includes two steps, and the first step is generation of electrophile. As it is an electrophilic substitution reaction, first the electrophile has to be generated. So here hydrogen cyanide will react with acid, hydrochloric acid, to give this particular compound, a chlorinated amine. Now here, in presence of, as we already know that zinc chloride is also present in the mixture in the catalyst form. So this product will react with zinc chloride, and that is how zinc trichloride is formed here. Now this is the electrophile that is formed in this reaction, which contains a carbocation. And the second step is the electrophilic attack on. Now the electrophile formed has to attack the phenol. It can be shown like this here. First, in presence of, we all know that phenoxide ion is more stable than phenol. So here the phenoxide, the lone pair on oxygen atom will be transferred, and the double bond here gets transferred onto the carbocation. So then we get the proton shift. The protons shifting will happen in the next step. We get this double bond is shifted here. As the lone pair has been shifted in the previous step from oxygen atom will get a positive charge, slight positive charge. Now the hydrogen which is present at this carbon will be removed, and the bond pair present between carbon and hydrogen is shifted as a double bond, restoring the resonance of the compound, the benzene ring. So here electrophile has been attached like this, and the nitrogen will get a positive charge because it has 4 bonds surrounding it. So the fourth step, which includes acid hydrolysis, that means in presence of acid, hydrolysis takes place. Bonds are broken with the help of water. So here and here itself we get these bonds are broken. These double bonds here they get broken. They are broken, and the final product salicylaldehyde is formed with the extra compound, the minor product which is formed as quaternary ammonium salt or simply ammonium ion. Thank you.